Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce and show you these two set of huge guy. There is the same model, A115, A50, and it is a powder packing machine, a multi-land. You can see we already installed the powder head here and the 8 platformer device. Also the middle shielding, and the wire already connect. Also the end shielding and cutters. Here we see this one is installation much more faster than the other set. You can see the letter is customized. The wire will be hid inside of the tube later after the testing. This machine will input the PLC program tonight, and tomorrow it can be moved. You can see the cartridge fill roll device here. Here is the most important part. It's not covered yet. We are now connecting all the wires. It's almost done here. This machine is much more higher than me, okay? This is another set. Check here. The motor is on, already installed, but the wire is not connected. It will finish like around 4 days or 5 days, I think. And then we'll spend like 1 more week to testing with the practice field, with the powder material. You can see here the heater is not connected yet with the sensor. Also the powder head is not installed, but we already have it. Okay, we can continue back to work. See the material. So that's it. I will send you more photos to confirm.